Yo, what you doing?
Just measure the car for cut the film. If you don't know how to cut the film and measure it, if you are a beginner, watch this video until the end. I will teach you how to do that. Let's go. The first things I recommend making the one book and then writing all the car you're gonna work on it. So you will having the, for example, look at this is the G63. Look at how many pieces you have to cut. Okay, this video today it's about the not car like the Boxster. Okay, the car like the sedan, SUV, normal four-door, two-door like the M4, something like that. And you can see I writing CLS 63, A45. I writing the O. And then for the today, because my first time I working on the Porsche Cayenne. Actually, I never work on the Porsche Cayenne in my own shop. So I write it here, hood, bumpers, side, I'm gonna talk about this side to you, F fender, trunk up, trunk down, and baby fender. Let's get into the car, I will explain more. Okay, and for example, you want to cut the front fender. First, look at the car from the horizontally, see which edge is longer than all. So in the left side is here, and then at the front side it's gonna be here. So you're gonna measure it from the long one to long one. That is 132. And you're having the one gap here, you're adding 1 centimeter more, so you're gonna cut it 137, or you can say 140, like how I write it here. This is for the horizontal, and then for the vertical is same too. From the up to down, check it which edge is longest one. And here, 75. And then you have the one gap at the top because the bottom part is not really important. You're adding the 5 centimeter, so 80 centimeter for the down. This is how you have to measure the body. All the panel gonna be same. For example, hood, if you check it, from here to there is not longest one. From here to there is longest one. You have to measure that one. And for this side, you have to measure it from here until the front. It's 140. So the film is 152. So that's gonna be fine, 152. And I talked about the side. This is for the SUV or for the sedan car. Side is including the 2-door or 1-door if the car is the coupe, and the quarter panel and side skirt. Okay, so you're gonna let me put the magnet here if you are alone. Okay. Like this until the end. Okay, for example, this guy is 3 meter 20 centimeter. Okay, and after that you will check it. 1, 2, 3, 4. You're having the 4 gap, adding to 320 20 centimeter more. Okay, and especially this color is the black. If you cut it at the edge, no one can see. But if it's the white, you have to go wrapper deeper. So adding 10 centimeter more, okay? Again, from there to there, 3 meter 20. And then 1, 2, 3, 4. You have 4 gap. For each gap, adding the 5 centimeter extra. And if it's the car white or blue or yellow, adding the 10 centimeter more. So total gonna be 3 meter 500. And then I will show you end of this video how you have to cut it from this panel. Things is the bumper. Maybe you're thinking you have to cut the 3 meter or over 2 meter and a half for the bumper. No, because the film size is 152. Okay, if you cut it, for example, checking the rear bumper, because rear bumper usually is longer than front bumper. Okay, and then cut it at the same size as the rear bumper, and then after you cut that, make it the film from the center to the two piece, because from the up to down, each bumper, most of the sedan or SUV, it's not going to, look at that, longer than 60 or 70 centimeter, which means for the trimmeter you can make it 2 trimmeter 75 centimeter. I will show you on the film how to do that. If you check in the rear bumper also, look at that. That one also, it's long one, but it's the 60 still. So with the cut the trimmeter, you can make the two bumper easily. But the car like the Camaro or like the Dodge Charger, those are cars because they having the how can I say it? Different pieces top of the bumper. That's why getting more longer than normal bumper. For those are, you have to maybe cut more filler and trimmeter. Let's go to the Okay, I cut all the filler, and then this is the pieces I cut it for the bumper, trimmeter 30 centimeter. So I'm gonna teach you how you have to make a two bumper from this one. Okay? At beginning I say the filler in this way it's 152. Okay? And then the bumper, the biggest one from the up to down is 60 or 70 or maximum 75. For example, this car, both bumper from up to down is 60 centimeter. So if you having the 152 and then at the center gonna be 76, okay? So you can cut it from the middle and then having the 176 trimmeter 30, 176 trimmeter 60, so trimmeter 30. So which means you will having the two bumper with trimmeters, like this way. Open it again. I mean, come here. And so 76 gonna be here. Okay. Since this Avery having the logo and letter and the back paper, it's easy to find out where you have to cut. Now rollers. I say again, if you do it the one time, two time, it's going to be very easy. For the car like my car or another supercar, you need, I will make the video later because you need to cut panel by panel, not like this. And then after this one, I'm going to the car and then show you how to cut the side to get the filling for the quarter panel and side skirt plus two door. That's done. See, with the one-time filler, we're having the two bumpers. So you're gonna save a lot of material and much easier to wrap. Okay, from the beginning I say For the cutting the quarter panel, 2 door and the side is we're gonna cut it in the one piece and then take it off. This takes a lot of ambulance here. I don't know why. Anyway, so you need the things like this, the magnet, or if the body is not magnetic, you can use the masking tape. My car is magnetic right now, so, and then after you lay the film, open it, just check it that all the edges is right or no. For example, here is not right. You have to little bit pull it off, and then with the masking make it fix. Check it all well, and then since this car doesn't have the side skirt, okay, but having the 2 small piece under the doors. And then next step, after you lay the film, you have to try with your hand, okay, find the line. Now here is the line between the door and fender. So I have to cut it from here. Yes, it's here. And when you find the line, always cut it 5 centimeters. That's how from the beginning we cutting more extra. So if you see, we have a lot there. And the hand going up. Find the line. And then here is window. And don't use the knife. I will show you what I'm using. Okay, here. Armin, can you come holding that one? Defender. And then when you get here, don't need to come down. Just go S-way, like this. Because when we lay the film with the heat gun, we're gonna turn the film that way. So, Armin, roll it. Okay, you're gonna go do the rest for us. Okay, now we have to cut the door. Okay, and then if you see here, look like it's short, but you have a lot there. So you're gonna pull the film to your side, and you have a lot from the up and a lot from down. And then if the car having the side skirt, you already can cut the skirt, or like this car having the pieces under the door, I can take it from those extra film. So first things, we need to cut the door. Okay? Make it sure, always double check, especially these days because the film in Korea or other country not available like before. So try to really not make a mistake, maybe you cannot get the film again. Here in Korea right now it's very bad. Okay. This is the extra, or you can use it for underlines. I will write it for the door. And you will see still a lot left. And I have too much here. Slide it to the front. Okay. And then same thing. I have here too. So find the line between the door I'm in passenger rear door. And look at that, here it's short, okay? But when the film coming this way, here is enough, 5 centimeter, and then here more than 10 centimeter. So this is how you can cut the one side of the car, so which is including the quarter panel, 2 door, or if the car is the coupe is 1 door, and side skirt. But as a coupe car, they having more longer quarter panel, so which means it's the same. And things you have to use for the cut the film on the body, don't use the knife, using those things. We call it the snitty, okay? This one I'm uncomfortable with that, but many people good with this one, but I'm comfortable with this one from the Yellow Tools. Many company make it, it's not really special things, but look at that. Those are, it's not going to scratch or damage because having the blade here, but this one is the safety Teflon covering this blade, so not going to scratch or do anything on the car, and very easy to cut, so very safe. Use this one. And if you like my video and be helpful for you guys, please give me the thumbs up, share my video, and then of course subscribe the channel. It's going to be very good for me and help me for the future video. See you guys soon. Bye bye.